How to descale a Kärcher SG44 steam cleaner. The first step is just to turn off and cool the steam cleaner. So switch off the steam cleaner, unplug it from the power outlet, and allow it to cool completely before performing any maintenance. Working on a hot or pressurized boiler can cause burns, so please take note. And the next step is just to empty out the steam boiler. So go ahead and empty out the steam boiler, drain all the water from the steam boiler before adding any descaling solutions. If necessary, rinse the boiler with clean water and empty it completely before moving to the next step. Kärcher recommends rinsing the boiler after every 5 boiler fillings to help reduce limescale buildup. Now, after, just prepare your descaling solution. Use only a Kärcher approved descaling product, such as the Kärcher Biodescaler RM 511. Dissolve 2 bags of descaler in 2 liters of warm water. Stir until it's fully dissolved. Avoid using vinegar or other homemade descaling solutions as they may damage the machine. All right, now the next step is just to fill the boiler in with that solution. So pour the prepared descaling solution directly into the steam boiler. Do not pour the solution into the fresh water tank as that can damage the pump. Rather, pour it into the steam boiler. Also, do not reinstall the boiler safety cap while the desaler is soaking, and just let the solution work. Allow the descaling solution to remain inside the boiler for approximately 8 hours. Then drain and rinse the boiler. So after about 8 hours, pour out the descaling solution, then rinse the boiler with clean cold water at least 2 times, or preferably 2 to 3 times, to remove all traces of descaler before using the machine again. Then reset the descaling indicator. Once the boiler has been rinsed, just switch the steam cleaner back on and press and hold the reset button until the descaling is done. Alright guys, that's it.